Shakas, aloha crafty friends, it's Maka from Makaz Home. I'm here today with a quick little share. I have started buying Disney Trader pins online, and if you've seen previously, you've seen my first haul that I did, and that one was off of Facebook, I believe. This one my daughter found, and it's off of Instagram, and I just wanted to share the seller's information in case you guys are looking for some Disney trading pins. She's very sweet, and delivery was prompt, and she packaged it well. So this is her at Disneyland Desire on IG. How cute is her little thing? Her little balloon with the Mickey. And I forget how much the pin was, but my daughter picked it out. And she included these stickers from Olaf. But this is the pin that we got. Nice, yeah? It's a jack pin, so that's lock, shock, and barrel. But yeah, so go check Disneyland Desire out if you guys are in the shopping for some pins. And I'm sorry it's blurry, it's because my battery's gonna die soon. But hope you guys are having a crafty day. Shakas, till the next video.